By Chinese state-owned pharmaceutical giant Sinopharm has 86% efficacy. The United Arab Emirates Health Ministry said in a statement following collaborative clinical trials between the two countries. Lynette Gidwa now reports.
Chinese-based pharmaceutical giant Sinopharm has proven 86% efficacy in the fight against the coronavirus. In a statement released by the United Arab Emirates Ministry of Health, the results of the vaccine were based on interim analysis of the late-stage clinical trials, which the UAE started in July. Although analysis showed no safety concerns, no clear determination of whether individual participants suffered any side effects was made. Clinical trials included 31,000 volunteers across 125 nationalities in the UAE. This comes just after the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine received approval for use in the United Kingdom and the first dose rolled out early this week. The Sinopharm vaccine is likely to gain traction in Africa as its long-standing approach has proven effective in other vaccines such as polio and flu shots. Compared with Pfizer and Moderna, most Chinese vaccines do not require freezing temperatures for storage, making transport and distribution much easier, especially in developing countries that lack cold storage capacities. Meanwhile, Group CEO of Amref Africa, Dr. Githinji Gitahi, has commended the emergence of vaccines that will prove to fight the coronavirus with faster results.
We mustn't think about the future of the pandemic. So as research goes on, we know that viruses are very difficult to treat, not least Ebola, HIV. Those are all viral diseases. They're very difficult to treat, and we've seen that you have to take even the common cold and flu. The drugs available are not as definitive as when we are talking about infections from bacteria, for example, where we give antibiotics and the infection goes away. So viruses are very difficult to treat, and that's why the conversation on vaccines for viruses is extremely important.
This even as Kenya records a total of 644 new positive cases with 1,060 recoveries and 16 deaths as a result of COVID-19. The country has, however, been recording a reduced number of daily infections in the recent past. However, experts warn that there could be a surge in the infections as we draw closer to the festive season. Lynette Gidwa, TV47.